Hey, Junksters. Okay, why is it important to get a phone system that allows for call recordings? I'd like to give you an example. I had last week, 4 days ago, something like that. One of my clients called and said the customer is saying that you told him that a full truckload is $250. No, I didn't. What's going on? So, long story short, it was a realtor calling on behalf of the homeowner who's selling the house. They needed all this junk taken away. I listened to the call recording. It was one of my agents, and she clearly said, I can't give you an estimate over the phone because the real estate agent obviously didn't know how much stuff there was. She said, but I can tell you that our prices start at a minimum of $125. That's for a single item, and then it goes through all these price points to a full truckload of $565. She clearly said that. Let's get you on the schedule so the guys can give you a quote on site. I sent that recording over to my client. He then actually played it. I'm not suggesting this, of course, but he played it for the homeowner, and she was like, okay, I'm so sorry, my mistake. He was telling me that you guys said $250. It's going to save you. I mean, obviously, this is not something that we want to throw in the customer's faces. Like, that's not what you said. I heard, listen to yourself. But it is something to back yourself up, because especially if you're the only one taking calls, or if you've got somebody in the office, or if you have hired us, it backs us up. It's insurance. Let's listen to the recording. Let's make sure that we said this correctly. And it's also a way for you to listen to yourself, to help train yourself, or it's a great way for you to train your office help. And it's a great way for me, if you're using us, to help train my agents. So if you can, go ahead and please get a phone system that allows for call recordings. Make sure you say at the beginning, though, that this call could be recorded. Check your recording laws in your state. I've learned that. So, but yeah, it's a great tool. Use it.